श्रद्धा विशेष आप सभी का स्वागत करने के लिए मुंबई से आई है। आप 5 साल की हैं, फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ती हैं, लेकिन रेगुलर रूप से उस पढ़ाई के साथ साथ ये स्पिरिचुअल स्टडी भी करती, और आप सिर्फ नृत्य से ही नहीं लेकिन परमात्मा के महावाक्य भी सभी के साथ शेयर कर जो ज्ञान इस नन्ही सी उम्र में इन्हें समझ में आया है वो सब तक पहुंचाती हैं। तो कुमारी श्रद्धा। गए हम। स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम।
After watching Kumari Shraddha, what are your thoughts? हाँ, क्या सोच रहे हैं? No, बाहर. No, I am a thought reader as well. हाँ, तो Divine Angel. No, but what are your thoughts? हाँ, some of, हाँ, धन्य हो गए हम. अच्छा. हाँ, some of you are really thinking that our children also should be like her, isn't it? And to do so, what you will have to do? Many parents come to Brahma Kumari centers and they say that please transform our children, but we don't have time. If you don't have time, your children also don't have time. Do you know, these days children don't listen to us, isn't it? But children never fail to copy you. What you do, they without, you need not tell them, immediately they would follow you. So if you start going to Brahma Kumari center at home, if you do some meditation for 10-15 minutes, automatically children would also follow. Okay?